Solana is losing their top NFT collections. Microstrategy has finally sold Bitcoin for the first time. It's not what you think. And Japan might allow you to trade stablecoins. Let's get into it. So, the top Solana projects, DeGods and Utes, are leaving the Solana ecosystem. They're moving to Ethereum, they're moving to Polygon. OpenSea, DeGods is ranked number 1. The floor price is 640 Sol. Utes is ranked number 3, and they have a floor price of 215 Sol. Now, this is important to think about because if you look at it, it's almost as if they're saying that Solana isn't good enough and it's not scalable enough. So they're moving off. They're moving to Ethereum. They're moving to Polygon. Obviously, Ethereum is the most used blockchain for buying and selling NFTs. It's what I've sold the most NFTs on. It's the most popular blockchain. Despite their high gas fees, Ethereum is totally just killing it. But how is this going to affect Solana? How is this going to affect Utes and DeGods? Well, it's not necessarily so positive news for Solana. Solana actually dumped around 10% in the past week or so based off this news, and I'm sure based off some other stuff, and Alameda research being so directly tied to Solana and selling off some of their bags. So, how is this going to affect DeGods and Utes? Well, DeGods is obviously doing very well on the Solana blockchain, but how will they perform moving over to Ethereum? There's a lot of competition on Ethereum. Now, they're the top on Solana, but that doesn't mean that they're going to be the top on Ethereum. So, yes, they might become more scalable, but are they going to be moving down in the ranking system? I would imagine they'll be moving down because there's just way too much competition on there. Now, DeGods is moving to Ethereum and Utes is moving to Polygon. I love Polygon. I love Matic, but trading NFTs, minting NFTs on Polygon, I have had some problems. So as of right now, I'm not completely thrilled with using Polygon for NFT trading, but however, I am a massive supporter of Polygon and Matic, so I do believe in the future this will be a great move. So moving on, we're going to be talking about Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. They finally sold some Bitcoin, and they've been adding 2,500 Bitcoin for $45 million in the past 2 months. Now, these statements don't entirely go together because obviously they're opposites. But if you've been following Michael Saylor for any period of time, you know he absolutely loves and adores Bitcoin for the long-term environment. But they sold some Bitcoin, and it's not what you think. They sold it for tax purposes. They sold 704 Bitcoin for $11.8 million as a tax write-off, I imagine. At least that's what it said here as a loss on a transaction. So they don't want to cough up all that money to Uncle Sam. They want to be able to write it off. Obviously, they can take advantage of that. Now, since then, they have also bought some more Bitcoin. So that goes to show that Michael Saylor does truly love Bitcoin. MicroStrategy loves Bitcoin. They're going to continue purchasing Bitcoin, I would imagine. But yeah, nothing's really changed. It's just for the taxes, so don't freak out. The last thing we're going to be talking about is Japan reintroducing stablecoins and how this could potentially be good for the markets. Obviously, it does spread the adoption of crypto some more, with them not being able to use stablecoins or coins that are directly tied to dollar, euro, any sort of currency, generally pegged to a dollar. So this is good news. Obviously, this is going to increase the market cap of overall crypto, which, even if it just is stables and it's essentially a dollar, or essentially one of some sort of currency, this will increase the overall market cap, increase the adoption of crypto. So there are going to be some rules and regulations that come with this in Japan. So they did say that they are going to need to increase their anti-money laundering measures after lifting the ban, as well as they also said that stablecoins can only be issued by licensed banks, registered money transfer agents, and trust companies. So this does make it a little bit more strict, but however, it is a step in the right direction for Japan. It is a right step in the direction for the future of crypto and adoption. So that's going to be all for this video. If you guys like this content, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, because I post little tips and tricks to make you guys money, as well as keeping you guys up to date with the crypto news. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.